Good morning. For algebra today, you are solving some equations and then using the order of operations to evaluate expressions. So when we look at number 4, just make sure you're showing the work. So when I see a fraction, that means division. To do the inverse of division, I multiply. K equals negative 26. When I see a problem like number 5, this is a proportion problem, so we're actually going to cross multiply. I would get 11x, and then negative 18 times 11 is 198. And then when I divide, I get x equals negative 18. Which, if you look, both of these fractions have the same denominator. If they have the same denominator, then they're going to have the same numerator. So, didn't have to do that, but I'm happy we did. So I hope you are too. Okay. Moving right along. Just remember, when you get to 18 and 20, so here, the fraction is under the entire thing. So that is different than number 15. Here, the fraction is only with the variable. So for number 15, I would start by subtracting 10 from both sides. I would get x over 4 equals 2 times 4 times 4, x equals 8. And then for 18, I would multiply by 5 on both sides first, because the denominator is for the whole expression. So I can't really do anything until I get rid of this 5. So I'm left with negative 1 plus r equals negative 15. And guys, looking at some of your work, some of you guys are doing an awesome job showing your work, but if you're not showing these steps, then you're not done. So r would equal negative 14. And then guys, for the last page, you're evaluating expressions. So just keep in mind, if you have a fraction, you want to evaluate the numerator and denominator separately. So if I looked at number 22, I would start by doing 8 to the second power, which is 64, over negative 2 minus a negative 10. I know that this becomes a positive 10, and I'm left with negative 2 plus 10 is a positive 8, and that just equals 8.